sitting by a creek right now. You see? Maybe you can hear the water there in the background. Hey everyone, Dirtbag Minimal here. I'm sitting outside by a creek on some really beautiful land, and I think I just wanted to mention about what is actually the point of minimalism. It's bigger than just having a clean closet and uncluttered house. The whole reason behind minimalism for me is that it's not only a personal decision to help your own mind and help mental health. I believe it really helps everyone's mental health. So I think on a greater scale that can help the world when people are feeling calmer and less anxiety, etc. But mostly that so minimalism, to be able to look at it through this lens of being able to choose to buy less, is a privilege. And somebody had mentioned that in my other comment, in my other video, and I really wanted to emphasize that that's completely true. And I didn't bring it up in the last video, and I should have, because minimalism from this lens is an absolute privilege to come from a place where I can make the decision to buy less. And so the whole point of minimalism, if I'm coming from a seat of privilege, the fact that I can choose to consume less, which therefore makes my impact on the earth smaller, that is a ripple effect. And the more people that have the privilege to be able to consume less, especially in first world countries like the United States and many European countries, etc., the ones that produce them or consume the most and produce the most greenhouse gases because of our use of cars and our constant consumption, our electricity, all that. If those within a seat of privilege are able to do a more minimal life, that lets the rest of the world that hasn't been granted that to be able to maybe have a little bit of a better standard of living, and we can hopefully bring all the greenhouse gases down, just do more for the environment, because it's a dire situation right now. So it might seem trivial to talk about owning 4 jackets instead of 20, but if this message can go beyond just me, beyond my friends, to maybe you, to whoever, and if we can keep sort of educating ourselves and educating others, then that is a ripple effect that I believe will have a massive positive impact on the environment and other people that don't have as much. So I just wanted to say that. And sitting out here by this creek in nature, just meditating and feeling close to realness, I feel. Closer to the essence of life. Thank you all for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, commenting. It really means a lot. And my passion is tiny houses and minimal living because I really want to make an impact on this earth for the better. And I think that this is how I can do it. Maybe